Samsung has launched their latest phone, Samsung Galaxy M35, at the price range of 19,999 without offers, but with offers you will get it at 15,999. So watch this video till end if you are planning to buy this phone. First of all, let's talk about its display. It has got an console AMOLED display, which is great options in this price segment. The display of Samsung are always good. Finally, Samsung has given console display. I am very happy for this. And it has got a big 6000 mAh battery with 25 watt charging. Just 25 watt, not fast charging. And it has got a decent camera setup, 50 plus 8 megapixel ultra wide, which is a good camera setup. Its Samsung cameras are always good. And it has got 4K recording on both of the sides, front and back side. And it has got Exynos 1380 processor with 6nm based architecture for performance, and the performance is good in this segment. It has got more than 6 lakh Antutu scores, which is a decent performance in this segment. It has got some cons, that is it has got no charger in the box, and secondly it has got only 25 watt charging with it, not so fast. 6000 mAh big battery, but only 25 watt charging is not so enough. It has got more fast charging, it will be better. And it has got AMOLED display, but only side mounted fingerprint sensor. If there is in display fingerprint sensor, it would be better. So finally I want to conclude that if you get it at price range of 15,999 with offers, then it will be a great option for buying phone. Its Samsung phone are always good. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys, see you in next video.